Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the subtitle file ready and loading it into the player. First, make sure the player accepts the format you have, like SRT or VTT, because unsupported formats won't display. Once the file is correct, move it into the same folder as the video and name it the same so many players auto-load it. If the file is embedded or external, open the player's subtitle or track menu and choose Load or Add Subtitle. That kicks off the process. Once loaded, you need to check timing and appearance so subtitles match speech and are readable. Use the player's offset or delay controls to shift subtitles forward or backward in milliseconds until dialogue and text align. Small tweaks matter. Make sure the file encoding is correct. Switch to UTF-8 if accents look wrong, and then pick a comfortable font size, color, and position so text doesn't overlap important visuals. These settings ensure the viewer gets accurate, legible captions. You finish by verifying and finalizing the subtitles so they stay correct across uses. Play the video from several timestamps and on another device to confirm sync and formatting. Once satisfied, export or burn subtitles into the video if you want them permanent. If something still fails, resave the subtitle in UTF-8 or load it in an alternate player to isolate the issue. Remember, retiming by small increments and checking encoding usually fixes the most common display problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.